Hello children, I am Prasanna. I am here to teach you about triangle. Here, triangle means three-angle figure. And you people know what is polygon. Polygon is nothing but a simple closure figure formed by line segments. Here, can I draw a simple closure figure with a one line segment, children? No. Can I draw with a two line segments a simple closure figure? No. So if I draw one more line here I will get a simple closure figure formed by three line segments, isn't it? Then, what is this figure known as? Here, this figure is bounded by three line segments and it is closed, isn't it? So this figure is called a triangle. So triangle means what? A simple closure figure formed by three line segments. Coming to the definition, here the simple closure figure formed by three line segments is called triangle, right? Or you can say a figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle, isn't it? Now if I take this, okay, and what is the symbol now? Here, if you see, it is having three line segments, isn't it? And these are what? These points are what? Vertices. You know what is vertex? The intersection of two line segments is nothing but vertex. Then what is the plural form of vertex, children? This is nothing but vertices. If you observe, triangle is having three sides. Sides are nothing but the line segments and it is having three vertices. The plural form of vertex is vertices. Now before that, I want to say what is the, I want to give some name for this figure. So we can give these points any capital letters, okay. So if I write A, B, C. A, B, C, here the figure is named as triangle ABC. How you read this as? Triangle ABC. And it is written as like this. Triangle ABC. Then what is this, children? Here symbol. Symbol of triangle is nothing but small triangle, isn't it? So I can read this figure as triangle ABC. And here triangle ABC can also be written as, you can name this triangle in 6 different ways. Here, see, this is triangle ABC. ABC. I can write this triangle ABC as ACB also. I can go from like this ABC or ACB. And I can start triangle with B also, children. If I start BAC, can I start triangle BAC? Or I can go in reverse way, triangle BCA. BAC, BCA. Isn't it? Next, I can start with the vertex C. So triangle CAB. Can I write CAB? And I can also write CBA. So in 6 different ways we can name this triangle, isn't it? So here the line segments AB, BC, CA are what? They are called the sides. So sides are nothing but the line segments that are AB, BC, CA. What is this symbol indicates? Is the line segments having two endpoints. So here the AB, BC, CA are the sides of this triangle, isn't it? Next, coming to the intersection. What is meant by intersection, children? The meeting point, okay? The intersection of these two sides of a triangle is called the vertex. Here, these two sides are meeting where? Here, this point. These two sides are meeting at C and these two sides are meeting at A. So what is this? 3 points are known as vertex. Vertex. Here, all 3 points are there, so vertices. So what are the vertices here? A, B, C. A, comma, B, comma, C. These 3 are the vertices. And coming to next, angles. Here, this figure is consisting how many angles? 3 angles, isn't it? So, how do you represent angles now? Here, AB and AC, between what angle? A. So what are the angles here? Angle A, angle B, angle C. 3 angles. Here angle can be represented either with a single letter or with the 3 letters. When you are representing angle with the 3 letters, always that vertex should be in the middle. So angle A can be represented as angle BAC. You can write angle BAC or CAB also in reverse way, and angle B can be represented as angle ABC because in the middle B is there, and angle C is represented as angle ACB. Here you can represent BAC as CAB also, and angle ABC can be represented as angle CBA, or angle ACB is also represented as angle BCA. But whatever this angle you are taking, that should be in the middle, means the vertex should be in the middle, isn't it? Now if you observe in the triangle ABC, how many sides we are having here? So totally we are having 3 sides, right? Totally we are having 3 sides, that is AB, BC, CA. So total you are having 3 sides. Coming to vertices, how many vertices triangle have now? Here 3 vertices, corners, okay, A, B, C. So 3 vertices. Coming to angles, how many angles you are having, children? Angle A, angle B, angle C. So total 3 angles. So a triangle is having 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Okay. Next, coming to this. Next, when you add these 3 angles, these are interior, isn't it? The inside region. So the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is how much? When you add the 3 angles, compulsory you need to get 180. Next, the sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. It should not be less than 180 and it should not be greater than 180. Okay, exactly 180. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C. You should get 180 degrees. Based on these angles, it is divided into different types of triangles that I will explain in another video. So I am talking about only triangles. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now coming to here, if I take one example, children, suppose if I take a triangle X, Y, Z. Now can you say what are the sides here and what are the vertices and what are the angles? If you see, every triangle is having 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles, and coming to these sides are nothing but line segments. Okay, so XY, YZ, ZX. XY, YZ, ZX are the 3 line segments that are nothing but the sides of a triangle. Next, coming to vertices. Vertices are nothing but these corners. Okay, so X comma Y comma Z, 3 vertices. Coming to angle, angle X, angle Y, angle Z, and you can represent a single letter with 3 letters also. X can be represented as angle Y, Z, X, Z, or angle Z, X, Y also you can write. Now coming to angle Y can be represented as angle X, Y, Z or Z, Y, X, and Z can be represented as angle Y, Z, X or Z, X, Y. And like previous sum, here every figure is divided a plane into 3 parts, children. Similarly, triangle also divides a plane into 3 segments. Okay, see, this is a triangle. Suppose this is a plane. So it divides a plane into 3 parts. That is, one is interior and exterior and coming to boundary. So once again, a triangle divides a plane into 3 parts. Interior of the triangle, exterior of the triangle and boundary of the triangle. Okay. Next, Next, what is region? So region is nothing but the boundary and the interior of the triangle. Boundary plus interior, not exterior, okay? Boundary and the interior together we call it as a region of any figure, okay? If it includes boundary and the interior, then we call that as a region, okay? Suppose this is a triangle, just now I tell here this is what plane, this is exterior, and this is what interior, and this is what boundary, isn't it? So here the interior part together with the boundary is nothing but the region. Then what is triangular region? What is triangular? Here the boundary and the interior of the triangle together is called the triangular region. Can I say this shaded part is called the triangular region? Yes, it is a triangle with the interior and the boundary. Then we call this as a triangular region. Now this is a triangle ABC, children. Now can you say from the figure the side opposite to angle A? Can you say what is the side opposite to angle A? Here this is the angle A. This is the vertex. The opposite side of the vertex is what here? BC. Right? The side opposite to angle A is BC. Then what is the side opposite to angle B? This is the B, children. Opposite is what? AC. Okay. Next, what is the side opposite to angle C? What is the side opposite to angle C here? This is the C here. You see, this is AB. Okay. Now